Hello class here. Once again I am KN Mishra, your science teacher. Welcome all of you in today's online class. Class, at present we are studying chapter number 1, which is crop production. In crop production, till today we have studied why extra crop production is needed to fulfill the nutrition of extra population. We need to enhance the overall production of crop in our country. समझ में आया सबको? Before today's online class, we have studied about the history of agriculture upon the surface of the earth, and we have studied about agricultural practice. Before this, we have studied about types of crops. Before today's online class, there are 3 types of crop. I think all of you are having this thing in your mind. First type of crop is Rabi, second is Kharif, and third one is Zaid. We have studied about these 3 types of crops in previous online class. Now today I want to discuss with you about plant nutrients. Various nutrients are needed for proper growth and maintenance of the plants. Various nutrients are needed. These nutrients are of course present in the soil, but let us know something extra about these nutrients. As written in your book that there are 16 elements in total required by any plant. There are 16 nutrients present in earth, present in soil, which are required by the plant for their proper development and growth. Clear? Out of these 16, 3, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These 3 are the basic requirement of plant. These are the basic requirement. Now come to 2 types of plant nutrients. There are total 16 nutrients, as I told you. From these total 16 nutrients, 9 nutrients are known as macronutrients. 9 nutrients are known as macronutrients. क्यों इनको macronutrients कहते हैं? Because requirement of these nutrients are somewhat higher. Requirement of the, ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, plant, any plant needs these nutrients in larger amount. कौन से एलिमेंट्स हैं ये? कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन, पोटेशियम, फास्फोरस, सल्फर, मैग्नीशियम एंड कैल्शियम. These 9 nutrients are known as macronutrients. These are needed in large quantity by any plant. Now, second type of plant nutrient is micronutrients. Micronutrients are needed by the plants in small quantity, very small quantity, but they are essential. What are these micronutrients? Micronutrients are 7 in number. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Micronutrients are 7 in number. What are these micronutrients? These micronutrients are iron. Fe means iron. Iron, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, chlorine and boron. These are micronutrients needed for the proper development and growth of the plant in very small amount. Clear? Now, after nutrients, there is one heading in your book, produce. What is produce? The product obtained from the crop is called produce. The product obtained from the crop is called produce. और ये produce किसी भी form में हो सकता है, like in form of grains, in form of roots, leaves, fruits, fibers, etc. These all are produced. अगर एक एग्जाम्पल लें तो तो जो व्हीट है, व्हीट का जो ग्रेन है जिससे हम आटा ऑब्टेन करते हैं, फ्लोर ऑब्टेन करते हैं, वो व्हीट प्रोड्यूस है, ठीक है, व्हीट प्लांट का। नाउ आफ्टर दिस स्टेप्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, देयर आर मैनी स्टेप्स are involved in agriculture. These steps are given in your book also. Here, steps of agriculture. These are various steps of agriculture. What things involved in these steps written here? These are steps of agriculture. Class, we will study about each heading of steps of agriculture in detail. But before going to detail, I want to give you homework. Your today's homework is write table 2.1, some common crop plants grown in India. Table 1.1 in your homework copy. Write table 1.1 in your homework copy and prepare this thing. Prepare these plants which grown in India on commercial level very thoroughly for test. Clear? This is very important. Now come to types of agriculture. Steps of agriculture. In steps of agriculture, the first step is preparation of soil. First step is preparation of soil, and preparation of soil is done by plowing and leveling. इस पहली हेडिंग में ये दो सब हेडिंग्स हैं, प्लाउइंग एंड लेबलिंग, प्लाउइंग ऑफ सॉइल एंड लेबलिंग ऑफ सॉइल। डिटेल में इनके बारे में हम जानेंगे, लेकिन नेक्स्ट ऑनलाइन क्लास में। दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे स्टूडेंट्स। डू योर होमवर्क इन टाइम, प्रिपेयर दैट टेबल 1.1 which I have given you in homework. Stay home, be safe. Thank you class. Thank you.